how to export videos in Captions export tutorial. If you wish to export videos on Captions, it is fairly simple for us to do so. All we have to do is make sure to launch the Captions application, and this is our current project which I've been editing, let's say. And now after you're done editing, let's say you'd like to go ahead and then just export out this video. Now to export this video, over the top right hand side you can see that purple button that says export. Now before you export, you can of course check the resolution and everything else that you need, and if you're sure of it, you can tap the export button from the top right hand side. And over here you can see it's definitely asking me to subscribe, but if you do have, you can just tap on this export button and you'll be able to export it. And this way you'll be able to export videos in Captions. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in our next video.